Hello, welcome to Lingchen dental class. Today, we will introduce to you how to solve dental chair isn't working at all caused by circuit. First, check plugs, sockets, and switches to make sure everything is connected securely. Second, check whether the power switch on the dental chair is turned on. Third, look for the fuse on the dental chair and make sure they are not burned out or broken. If a problem is found, replace the fuse and check that the dental chair is back to normal. Finally, check the control panel of the dental chair to ensure that no abnormal error codes or indicator lights are displayed. If so, check the dental chair menu for more information or contact an engineer for technical support. This is Lingchen Dental Class. For more updates, welcome to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.